I'll do it now. So, this car was like a screeching, like metal on metal grindy kind of noise. It was very weird. I thought it was like the starter not disengaging after you start the car or something. But we finally figured out what it was, and Hyundai's ingenious design techniques is what led to this. Get in here. Where am I?
Here, I can move it. Ready?
Yeah. You see that? The flex plate is a 2-piece or 3-piece flex plate that is riveted together with giant rivets. And of course those rivets wear out because, you know, the starter turns that ring gear and everything. So why the heck would you put it together with rivets? It makes no sense. Move your hand real quick. Yeah, see? Rivets. Stupidest thing ever. And it makes like a screeching noise when you crank it up. Horrible.
I didn't know that you were a YouTube channel person.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's something I've